So I just got my Avata 360 delivered a few days ago, and something a lot of people want to know is what is the best place to get an Avata 360 if you live in the US. So DJI has quit selling all of their products on their website, which has led to some confusion and some difficulty getting DJI stuff in the US. But right now there are a couple solid places you can get the Avata 360, and one of them is cheaper and faster than the other. So the first and probably most obvious place to look is on DJI's Amazon store. And here you can get the Avata 360, you can get the basic kit with just the remote for about $719, and you can get the kit with the remote and 3 batteries for $979. The only problem is the kit isn't getting delivered until May 3 to 15, which is like nearly a month for the furthest out date from today. And even for the base kit with just 1 battery, it's not going to get delivered for an entire week after you order it. And on top of that, you can't even get the combo with the goggles. It is entirely out of stock temporarily, but it's been that way, I think, ever since they launched it. So the second place, and I think better place, to get an Avata 360 right now is off of eBay, shipped in from South Korea. And that's where I got my Avata 360. Now, I was initially very skeptical about getting DJI drones in from South Korea. It kind of seemed a little bit sketchy to try to get something from an international seller, get it through customs, all that kind of stuff. But this is the third DJI drone I've gotten from South Korea and had no problems with any of them, no customs fees, no hassle. If you look on the pages, it says that the import fees are included in the price, and they further specify that the price you see is the final price, no additional tariffs or fees are required, and all import duties are covered and handled by the seller for US customers. And that is exactly the case. None of the drones have gotten at all slowed down by customs, and I haven't had to pay any extra fees on them. And if we're comparing prices, they are also a bit cheaper than Amazon. If we look at just the basic kit with 1 battery, it comes in at $709 instead of $719, so $10 cheaper, not a huge difference there, but it is cheaper. Oh, actually, I just see on this one, they do have separate shipping, so it's actually not cheaper for this one. It used to be free shipping, I guess they just added that shipping. So it does look like this one also has a little bit longer shipping time. It says Friday, April 24, which is actually a day after Amazon's estimate. But if we start looking at the combos, this is where you really start getting the savings and getting it here quicker. The combo with the drone, RC2 remote, and 3 batteries comes in at $954 plus free shipping instead of $979 on Amazon. So that's about a $25 savings. Not huge, but definitely something. And it is estimated to arrive on or before Wednesday, April 22. Versus May 3 through 15 from Amazon. And they also do have the goggles combo, which is what I got. And it is also $954, no comparable price on Amazon because Amazon doesn't even have it. And it also gets here Wednesday, April 22, which is less than a week. And one thing to note, especially if you're watching this later, sometimes the prices change between Amazon and eBay. Generally, eBay is a bit cheaper and many times even faster, but I'll also put a link to where you can get it on Amazon and just go and compare the prices between those two and make sure it is a better deal to get it from eBay. And as far as shipping times go, I've had very good experiences. It often gets here quicker than the estimated arrival date. For this one in particular, I pre-ordered it before DJI started shipping to Asia, and the drone got actually shipped on the very same day that DJI started shipping in Asia, and it got here to the US and was delivered 4 days later, and that was even over a weekend. So all in all, quite fast and prompt shipping. Now, there are a ton of different sellers that are reselling these on eBay, but there is one specific seller that I've used and had really good results by. This is not sponsored by them. They're not paying me to say this. I have absolutely no connection with them, except I've ordered a couple drones from them and had nothing but good experiences. And that seller is 102 Store 00. I've ordered 2 drones from them. This is the second one. Both times they've been extremely prompt to get it shipped and gotten it here very quickly. I've ordered a drone from another eBay seller from South Korea, and they were fine, no import issues, everything was fine, but they weren't nearly as quick to ship. So 102 Store is my recommendation. And I'll put links to all three of these, the basic kit, the RC2 Fly More combo, and the goggles Fly More combo down in the description from this seller. They are affiliate links, but I can put an affiliate link to anything on eBay, to basically any site. I'll get a commission wherever you get it from, but this is just the best place that I've found to get DJI stuff right now, and it's where I personally get all my new DJI drones. And they also have all the other DJI drones, Mini 5 Pro, Avata 2, Neo 2, basically anything you want, Mavic 4 Pro, all that good stuff. They have it for pretty much the best prices out there, and it gets there reasonably quick and no issues, at least in all of my experience. Again, this isn't really an endorsement of them necessarily. I'm just sharing my experience. It's been very positive for me and just passing that information along. So yeah, go check that out if you want to get an Avata 360. If you want to learn how to get better drone shots with whatever drone you have, go check out my free drone filmmaking training. Link is down in the description. You can click right here to watch another video on the Avata 360. And as always, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like it. I'll see you in the next video.